It's just after 7 o'clock. Earl, Stern, Dale, we're doing, well, could be anything from 5 miles upwards. Knowing what we're like. And we've got no maps. I've got GPS, which is what seems to be working, but no signal on the mobile is what I meant to say. So I think we're going to make a move. So folks, we're just on a loop of the village, and then it turned out the footpath was virtually opposite the car, so both mobiles are struggling for signal. GPS, well, I've got no idea what I'm doing with the GPS, so yeah, so we think we're on the route now, and then we're heading this way by all accounts. That's where we're going, folks. Well, that's where we think we're going. I might have a look at the route in a second while we've just stopped and see what we're going into the mist, so nice down here if we don't make it back. So folks, I'm near the top. It's a bit dicey in places. I know, there's somebody's had a shit at further up there, did you see it? Yeah, you're just like, really? And Chris at the top. Oh. Double glazing? Sorry? Double glazing? Can't look because I start getting that. Jump off? Yeah. Part of my 80% of me is like, well, it's like to jump. Oh folks, you can see that. Looks even worse when you look back. Yeah. Doesn't it? I wouldn't have gone up there.
Potential death. I
wouldn't have gone up there for now like that coming down here.
What about that one?
I'm not sure. Right folks, on the way down now from Pakhouse Hill, Horse Hill, I don't know what it's called. Chris has decided he's taking break a leg loop. It would have been funny if you'd have fallen off and killed his hand. Well, I wouldn't say funny. That's what we've just come down. Can you hear Chris laughing in the background? That's not the...
Doesn't look easy.
What do you mean it doesn't look easy? We're near the bottom.
Chrome Hill.
I think we're doing Chrome Hill next, at least attempting it. And if need be, we can just drop back down onto this footpath and go that way. So folks, probably about a quarter of the way up Chrome Hill now. I'm done it. Absolutely done it. I think I'm calling it, folks. Like somewhere along the route, jarred me up or something. It's absolutely killing me. Chris has gone ahead. I think I'm going to head back down. And yeah, I'm going to make it worse, and then at least this way I'm not far from the road and just take it steady walking back. Well folks, if you've seen, I did make it to the top. I'll just put some, hopefully, drone footage up. Well, we're going back down the way we came in. Talking, don't pick the camera. And then we're not going to go back up Pakhouse, are we, Chris? No, and then yeah, head back. Looks like there's a footpath at the bottom of it. Take a look. Houses. See, I went up a path there, didn't I? Near back at the car now, folks. We're basically Chrome Hill there, and then fold road round. We'd already done the fields on the way there, so yeah, that's how far. We're back to the car. So folks, back at the car. Don't the clock say 20 past 10.
Yeah, that's 20 past 9.
So we had a bit of a loop round the village to start off with, and then you go that way. So I think that was the pub which started the route as you go to. It's only just there. Yeah, but it's getting busy up there now. So